Hello guys, we have seen in previous lecture about the definition of a matrix. So now in this lecture we will see the different types of the matrix. In our first type we have a square matrix. Okay, a matrix is called as a square matrix when its number of rows is equal to number of column. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. Okay, now let us take one example. A is equal to 1 2 3 4. How many rows we have? 1 2. How many columns we have? 1 2. So here our m is equal to n, hence it is a square matrix. Now let us take another example. 1 1 1 2 3 4 6 7 9. How many rows we have? 1 2 3. How many columns we have? 1 2 3. Here also our m is equal to n, hence it is a square matrix. Okay. Next we have row matrix. What is row matrix? A matrix is called as a row matrix when its number of rows is equal to 1. Number of rows is equal to 1. What is number of rows? M. M is equal to 1. For example, A is equal to 1 1 2 3. How many rows we have? Only 1. M is equal to 1, hence it is a row matrix. Let us take another example. 1 2 3. How many rows we have? Only 1. How many columns? Okay, so it is a row matrix. Next we have column matrix. A matrix is called as a column matrix when its number of columns is equal to 1. Number of columns is equal to 1, means n is equal to 1. Okay, for example, A is equal to 1 1 1 2. Here n is 1, hence it is called as column matrix. B is equal to 3 4. Here number of columns is 1. Okay, hence it is called as column matrix. Next we have rectangular matrix. A matrix is called as a rectangular matrix when its number of rows is not equal to number of columns, like m is not equal to n. Let us take one example. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many rows we have? 1 2. How many columns we have? 1 2 3. Here m is not equal to n, and it's called as a rectangular matrix. Okay, next we have null matrix. null matrix or zero matrix. Okay, a matrix is called as a null matrix and zero matrix when its all elements or entries is equal to 0. For example, 0 0 0 0, it's called as a null matrix. Okay, next we have diagonal matrix. It's a very important type of a matrix. Okay, a square matrix is called as a diagonal matrix when its non-diagonal elements are 0. A square matrix is called as a diagonal matrix when its all non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay, in symbolizing form we write it if m is equal to n a square matrix and a I j is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. Okay, now let us take one example. E equal to 1 0 0 minus 3. See, its principal diagonal element is 1 3 and its all elements are 0. See, hence it is called as a diagonal matrix. Let us take another example. A is equal to 4 5 6. Okay, this is the principal diagonal element and all other elements are here 0. See, hence it is called as a diagonal matrix. Okay, now minimum number of zeros in a diagonal matrix is given by n into n minus 1, where what is n? N is the order of matrix. For example, we can verify 1 1 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 4, and it's a 3 into 3 matrix. How we will see the minimum number of zeros is n into n minus 1. Its order is 3 into 3 minus 1. How many it is? 3 into 2 equal to 6. And we can see how many we have zeros? 6. Hence the total number of the minimum number of zeros in diagonal matrix is 6 here. So this is enough for today's lecture. We will see in the next part of this video the other types of the matrices, and they are very very important. So please don't miss this lecture in the next lecture. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay friends, so